Starting off the day with a little bowl of oatmeal, some coffee, and super early. Alright, good morning YouTube! I have been driving for like 10 minutes and now everything wants to start going off. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Alex?
Yeah.
This is Jack Bishop.
Hey Jack.
Hi. Do you have any haircutting time open this morning?
This morning, I don't know if I do. Let me check real quick.
Okay.
Okay, like I was saying, starting off the day earlier. Part of my new goal for my daily routine is to start my day earlier. So I'm going to try to be at the shop by 9 o'clock instead of 10 o'clock every day. Currently I'm running late, but baby steps, right? It's 9:01, I'm like 4 minutes from the shop. So I'm not super late, but I'm late regardless. Anyways, yeah, good morning. If you're not a part of the team, welcome to the team. Team Teezy, that is. You know what I'm saying? I'm the Barber Teezy. I make videos almost every day. I try to make them every day, but yeah. So right now I have to go, before I go to work, I need to go drop off this package for my girlfriend because she does online sales through eBay, and sometimes she's lazy and doesn't want to go to the post office. But no, I'm just kidding. She's got done working a super long shift last night on her feet, so I told her I'd take it for her. Anyways, I'm rambling. Good morning. I'll see you guys when we get to the shop. Oh, my truck's a mess. Backpack, clippers. Question of the day. Nobody at the shop thinks I'm tight for this question, but I'm gonna ask y'all anyways. If you clean a vacuum, do you then become a vacuum cleaner? Bye, Jack. That is Jack Bishop right there. That guy right there was my very first customer. I don't know if I've said this before, but he was my very first customer on the floor in barber school. Right when you get out of like the cutting class and you got to start cutting the public and stuff. He was my first cut, and cut him ever since. We're talking about today about 3 years. So getting it done in the shop today. Getting that done. Cleaned up my station this morning. I got all my stuff soaking in ship shape.
It was in this little black notebook.
Back here.
Pocket in it. Like a leather book.
Going to Eugene and going to the freaking skating rink.
Okay, so pretty busy day in the shop. My Tuesdays sometimes get in the car. My Tuesdays sometimes look like my damn Fridays, so I've been cutting hair all damn day long. But it's a good problem to have. However, I have to go pick up my package because my Audi wipers went out and they do this. So yeah, we gotta fix that. I'm going to pick up the parts, they just arrived. So let's go. That don't look good. Good old Postal Annex, here to pick up a package. And I gotta renew my P.O. box. So let's get it. If you guys ever want to send me stuff, the address for this is in the below. Received an email saying that my package did not fit in my thing.
Yeah, it's most likely something we had to sign for.
It's a big thing, I think. Car part. And I also need to
renew?
There you go. I couldn't think of the name. Renew.
Alright, get you to sign that little singy thing there.
The singing thing.
Yeah.
Got my package. So yeah, like I was saying, if you guys ever want to send me some stuff, The link, or not the link, but the address for this P.O. box is in the description. If you guys ever feel like sending your book something, I don't know, but it's there. So today seems kind of all over the place. It's kind of because I am all over the place today. Between being busy in the shop and then having to run and go get this thing done and then whatnot. But I'm trying to get, this is kind of like the daily vlog type stuff. So I'm trying to get back to that. So some of these days are going to be like this. So just stay focused, but and stay tuned. We're gonna head back to the shop now. I got my car parked. Excited. We're gonna install this tonight. Excited. Why are you wearing a hat after I just gave you a haircut? Any reason in particular?
You kind of messed me up.
Oh! Oh! You want to shout your Instagram out?
Follow me.
Just kidding. Got him! I gotta show you guys something tight though real quick before I start my next appointment. Let me pause that so I don't get copyrighted. We are giving away a Suavecito basket or a Lay Right basket. You can purchase a ticket for $5. Boom, boom. Pick your poison. We're gonna draw it before, the day before Christmas. So if you're in the area and you want to come into the raffle,
I'd like to get
let me know.
little stations for every one of our stations.
What was that? So you had something to say?
No.
Okay. Alright, y'all, moment of truth. This boy said he combs his hair. Where? He combed it with his pillow at night when he sleep. He want waves like Sir Cruz, so Sir Cruz, if you're watching this, dog, my man's gonna come for you. Check the cut though.
I'm sick of you being back and still using that motherfucking auto-tune, so let's talk about it. I'm sick of your mumble rap mouth.
Alright, y'all, so real quick before the next song comes on, I'm gonna end the vlog so I don't get copyrighted because I'm too tired to get up. Because had a crazy busy day in the shop today. But my Tuesdays look like my Fridays now, so I'm blessed. Anyways, the next songs came on, so if you're not a part of the team, hit the red subscribe button and join the team. And I will see you guys tomorrow on another daily vlog. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's the Barber Teezy, and I appreciate you watching this video. If you guys like the content and you want to see more of it, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right in the middle, my little face thing, wherever it is right here. Hit that and subscribe and join the team. If you guys liked this video, hit the like button for your boy. And if you want to check out more content that I've made, click on this video here or this video here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.